Yo, what is good, bruh? What is good, my future self? How you doing? Your like mansion and shit with your GT3 and shit. So my bad, cause I'm not being consistent. Uh, if I'm not wrong, the uh, last trade cap that I did was on this day, or maybe this day. So it's been a week without trade recap, and it's my fault, 100% my fault. Those 3 days I was in Barcelona, so um, I took like some days to rest and chill, smoke something. So I'm full of energy right now. So okay, don't waste no more time. So as you can see, the past days I made $10 on February 16. Let me see what we did. We took this down bass trade because I was risking to get my account closed. So I said like fuck it, I want to take a trade, and also like a really potential shit set up as soon as we invert this 1 minute, and I took it for a 1 to 1. No, it wasn't 1 to 1, but let's say like that, it was a 1 to 1. Then I took what the fuck all time. Then I took this fucking good trade. Really like this one, but the only shit was my break even got it as soon as I enter, so I had to stop to put my stop loss at break even, and I got stopped out. Luckily, because the like next 2 minute candle spiked up over the 5 minute for value, so for me, this one is a break even, not a loss. And then we talk about today. Today was another fucking stupid ass day by my mistake. Not the first trade in London, but the second trade um, on New York AM. They still to win, so this was New York AM. So this one was London. London, not a mistake. London's just being fortunate. Trade ID played out completely fine and 100% right. The only shit was the same. I had a straight break even, so as soon as I hit the internal high, I set my stop to break even around this point, and yeah, nothing to do about it, nothing to say about it, because I'm gonna show you on the chart. So, speaking high time frame, on the high time frame, we had this retest. The previous day, yesterday, we had a retest over the daily gap. If you go see the daily structure, here we retest the daily gap, and yeah, we had this strong rejection right there. This not a rejection, but this weak. Let me do. Okay, we had this week, and on 1 hour, as soon as London kind of open, or maybe some before. No, as soon as London open, what we did was tap it inside this 1 hour gap right there, this one, and at the same time inside the 1 hour gap, I'm trying to find some low time frame gap, right? So we had this 5 minute gap where we leave London inside. This was the 5 minute gap that we had. First of all, we hit this 1 hour gap and we retrace a bit. So I said, like, as always, I want to see a lower time frame gap inside the high time frame gap being tapped to then confirm a possible reversal. So what we did was pushing higher at a 50% of the wick. Remember the daily wick that we had marked out before. We retrace a bit where inside a 5 minute and inside a 1 minute. Okay, so time frame alignment, uh, a 5 minute, a 1 minute inside a 5 minute, right? Then what we did was make an SMT because at this point ES took out this low and tapped inside the 1 hour gap. So what I did was waiting for this change of state to happen because this is the last down close move that sweep, like not the sweep, but like is the down, is the last down close candle section close candle. And as soon as we invert this, I think with a 3 minute inversion, I don't remember. Yeah, as soon as we invert this 3 minute, oh no shit, it was a 1 minute. What the fuck I took? Uh, Dion. I don't know why I took the trade here, but this was our. Okay, let's say this 1 minute. I enter 3M and Q right there, stop below the body, something more, but okay. Break even at the internal high. I've closed one contract more or less right here where we add 1 hour. I closed one contract right there, and I was looking to close another one here. Nope, here at the stop rate, and the last one I was about to close order 50% of the 5 minute gap, or at the start of the 5 minute gap, but that's okay. Really unfortunate. Made 25 bucks on this one. Not that much of a risk. It was 11 point stop loss, so like risking 40 bucks more or less. So good with it. Then what we did was manipulate inside the 5 minute, leaving London here. I was looking at this point because I had more time today to stay on the chart. I was looking to this 5 minute change of state and a possible I think it was this point here, a possible retracement to equilibrium inside here, and use maybe this order block to get a retest and continuation trade to the downside, even because this shit played out perfectly. And this was pretty same as yesterday trade right there, you see. Same fucking day, same fucking idea, you know. So bearish, manipulate highs, and this internal low, but that's okay, no problem. Let's talk now about the New York AM trade, which was a fucking shitty price action and fucking shitty, my bad fucking default, my fucking fault decision, because I'm gonna take you through my thought process, right? So, at pre-market, so let's say that there, and market open, we did absolutely nothing. Let me use white so it's more visible, right? At market open, we did absolutely nothing. The shit we did was manipulate this internal equal highs here, push lower, we create a range, push lower, right? Checking out London session, and at this time, ES took out this high time frame low that help us to go inside the daily gap. So this one was the low that broke this high. Okay, so a lot of stop loss, a lot of things, and that was what the fuck? We going lower now. Okay, a lot of stop loss, stop, sell, buy, stop, sell, stop, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so my idea for today was short. Why? Because we add this relative equal highs above, equal highs here, 1 hour gap here. So my idea was um, here London Open, New York Open, we manipulate high, maybe another manipulations, CSD inversion, and we go lower. But what we did was the complete opposite. So we manipulate lower to go higher, right? Perfect. So the first like 10 minute into market open was hella shit. Okay, it was hella shit. The things that like lead me to think we were bullish was this week, right? Printed at 936, that has been retested multiple times and respected the 50% level, right? So what I did was, okay, we manipulate another time lower internal manipulation, so we look for upside. Um, as soon as I did this, we confirmed the change in state of the delivery here, and after we inverse this 1 minute, I pressed buy here. considering to put my stop loss like here or just below here. What happened? As soon as I press like fucking buy, this shit dropped, right? This shit dropped at this point here, so my entry was here. At this time, I was panicking because this 1 minute candle was like, I think, was 68 fucking points. Okay, well, 68 points candle. So I said like, fuck this shit. We gonna go lower. What the fuck I'm doing? I opened 3 and Q, M and Q. I was like panicking because I don't want to lose that much money. Wasn't calculated inside my risk. So what I did was set my stop loss below this low, just a little bit below this low, and as soon as we went back in profit, I sell the position. I sell completely the position right there, bro. Right there, making like $9. What? What the fuck I was thinking? Okay, I can like I can feel myself back in the past because after this motherfucking candle here, I was risking too much. Okay, I was risking too much. Stop loss was kind of too high, too big. Was I think 280, 290, like $300. So I was saying like, what the fuck? No, please, no. And yeah, price reverse and go straight to my TP. So realize RR is 0.54, brother. Not even one. But still happy because analysis was good. Trade plays out perfectly. Beside the shit here, this barcode language that I'm not used to speak. So let me remove all those that I'm not used to speak. So yeah, I don't have any idea how to trade this shit. But yeah, that's wrap up for today. This was a beautiful price action till market open. Then market open did this motherfucking shit. This was even over London was news low. So I would draw liquidity or a liquidity pool to sweep. And yeah, guys, I'm happy. I'm happy because we're up on the challenge on the eval. We're still up 300 this month. Just 1 week red. February, January, same shit. No, January was all week was green. So I'm pretty fucking happy. Okay, don't get me wrong, because I got like a 60% win rate with a 1.51 R. So I'm really really fucking happy, guys. Really really fucking happy. But this one could have made me like $800, taking me like 52k and 1k to pass the account. So shit, man, shit. This one had me think a lot. Not gonna lie, this shit made me think a lot because this is how I can understand my emotions not right. My emotions not good and is not in place. So I need to fix and work on those on this shit, right? So what else I can say? Nothing. Pretty happy. Analysis was both of the time was good. This wrapped up for today, guys. Hope you hope you like it. Sorry myself in the future for not being accountable, but I have some shit to go through. So yeah, I'm fucking sad for this shit. Thanks so much for tuning in, and yeah, hope to see tomorrow with. Oh yeah, yeah. Wait. Tomorrow I don't think to trade. I don't know because we have a lot of red folder news, but for sure London, and I hope to get some shit done. So yeah, hope to see you tomorrow with another win.